What is up, YouTube? Coming at y'all here with an install video, but I ain't gonna bore y'all with like all the wire running and stuff, all that. I'm gonna just show y'all like all the equipment we throwing in here. So as y'all see, we got a set of Orion amps here, some Skar subs. Let me show y'all everything. So for bass, we got the Colbalt CBT 2000 1D. This amp is 600 watts RMS. I don't know why it just says 2000 watts max everywhere. It said it on the box. It says it, as y'all see, all over this amp, but in the manual it says 600 watts RMS, which is won't be perfect for this setup. 600 watts RMS at 1 ohm at 14.4 volts. We got AGM power cell to go in the back, of AGM battery. This is, I think it says, I don't know where the box went for this, but I think this is like a 1200 watt battery. I believe it's a 1200 watt battery, 35 amp hour. This is gonna be perfect for this install because these amps don't really draw a lot, but on the mids and highs, all the interior speakers, we're gonna have this CBT 2500.4, which is, I believe it said 175 watts RMS per channel, at 2 ohms per channel. And I think only, if I remember how I'm going to wire this up, I think only maybe channel 3 and no, channel 1 and 2 is going to be at 2 ohm, and 3 or 4 is going to be at 4 ohms. So yeah, we do have tweeters that we are going to throw in this build, but we're not putting them in right now because we're missing some panels. But I'm going to show y'all a walk around about the car here in a second. But for subs, we got the Skar Audio IX D4s, 250 watts RMS, and a basic prefab box. I was going to make one, but I was like, a prefab box should be perfectly fine with these subs. I had these subs before in a prefab box, and they were perfectly fine. And they sounded great, actually, in this exact same box. But like I said, these together should be a 500 watt RMS combo. That's why we got the 600 watt RMS amp, so it should be literally perfect for all of that. But here go the car right here. Like I said, I'm not gonna bore y'all with the wire running and all that. We already got, or I didn't get it done. This is my dad's car. He bought this for $200. He bought this, it was sitting in somebody's backyard. He bought it for $200 and they let it go. So like I said, here go all the wires. He ran all the wires. He ran it the same way like how I ran it in my fiance's Altima, but except this one's the 4-cylinder. This is the 2.5. But y'all see, big 3 already done. He did that. Skar Audio battery terminals, same, literally just all the same, just like how it is on my Altima, but all that stuff's already done. He aftermarket head unit in here, precision power. It's a GPS Bluetooth, USB SD card, normal Chinese head unit with GPS. Just, that's all that really is. Nothing really too special about it, but he just wanted something with GPS in it, so this is what we I found for him, and that's what we threw in here. As y'all see, it fits in there perfect. It is missing the trim ring around, but I think that's from the person who had the car before us, because this was the plastic pieces were already in here. The plastic ring was in there, so he just has to buy that around it. But other than that, that's perfect, works fine. I'm gonna show y'all that here in a second. Yeah, this nothing to expect with this car. I can show y'all why they sold it for $200 here in a second, but yeah, it's just the normal 2.5S Altima. Somebody did have before him, and actually before the owner that had it, the person that he bought it off of before them, they had a sound system in here, and they yanked everything and never put anything back in here. So that's the reason why we're putting the full system back in here, because there was no radio, no speakers, no nothing in this car when he bought it. That was another reason why they sold it for $200. Trip, but yeah, it didn't have none of that stuff in it. But reason why it sold for $200 is because a tree fell on it right here in this area, destroying. This is a new trunk lid that he had put on here, but it had destroyed the trunk lid. Surprisingly, it didn't break the back glass. It didn't break the glass, but you see it dented up this whole area right here. Destroyed this tail light, destroyed the trunk lid. So he just bent the metal out enough just to put the tail light back. Got a new trunk lid. It shuts perfectly fine. He drives it to and from work and can't really beat it. It's a beater with a heater. It's a beater with a heater, so you really can't beat it. $200, and he's had it for going on 3 months now, so cannot beat the still for $200. So, but other than that, y'all, we about to get ready to start installing this stuff. You already know I'm gonna bust the O-scope out to tune the amps, and we're gonna get a sound test, see how this is all gonna be sounding together. So stay tuned to the end of the video, guys, to hear how this is gonna sound. But other than that, let's dive straight into this. All right, guys, we are all done with the install, and this is what it looks like. Here's the 4-channel right here. Right there got zip ties. It's all clean. Batteries mounted. Everything's mounted completely in place. I know the wiring looks a little messy over there. That's because I ran out of zip ties and I need to buy some more to straighten the wires up over there. But for the most part, everything's mounted. Even the box is mounted. That's not slided anywhere. But this is how it turned out. And it, for the most part, it's clean. And it stays, everything stayed in its spot and all of that. But we're about to get a demo, see how it all sounds. Here are the Pioneer 6x8s we also put in here. They're in there with like a piece of wood that I cut out to adapt it, because 6x9s are what go in here, and I cut a piece of wood to adapt it to 6x8s because he got these speakers for free. They put in here. But there's one on each side, as y'all see. And those are band powered off the 4-channel. And also show y'all the front door speakers. They're the FSX 6.5s. These are the 4-ohm ones. These are extra ones I had laying around from the Impala build last year, and I just gave those to him. But we're about to see how it sounds. Alright, guys, it's demo time. I got some chopped and screwed Juicy J. Song name is Shut the Fuck Up. So we're about to see how this sounds in here.
Get up, bitch. Get up, bitch. Get up, bitch. Get up. Get up, bitch.
Everything's tuned by ear though. Before I turn this up, everything's tuned by ear and tuned to the max volume of 34.
Get up. Get up, bitch. Get up, bitch. Get up, bitch. Get up. I smoke that weed and I drink that drink on the block and my trap house booming. I do it for the gangsters and I do it for the hustlers on the block trying to get something moving. I do it for my 3-6 niggas that's chat, that's black, that's bald, that's bad. I do it for the hometown, all my niggas home now, and the fucking city on my back. Niggas taking shots now, niggas get shot down, married to the cement, I'm strapped. She get hot now, ride with the top down, nigga get it going, nigga back.
Almost no flex on the outside. Turn the flash up. Yeah, almost no flex on the outside. About to put something on more in the higher end spectrum. Sounds nice and clear from the outside, sealed up too. Alright, we about to see how it sounds with a bit of a song with higher end beats and notes with the windows cracked. We only got them cracked probably about 20% of the way. And I do have the sunroof open, so we about to see how it sounds like this. Song is All There by Jeezy. Nice, clean, and clear. Not too loud. Definitely noticeable. It's turned down. I pissed the neighbors off. But close all these windows up. I think for sure, let me turn the music all the way off, but I think for sure this is like another one of the best builds that I ever done. Let me show y'all the back one more time. Turn the car off. We're gonna go to the back. Come on this side. Turn the light back on. But like I said, 4-channel CBT 2500.4 on the mids and high, or just on mids. Well, you could say mids and highs, but this is what's on the mids and highs. And the CBT 2000.1 on the bass, which is, this is 600 watts RMS. This is 175 watts RMS at 2 ohms each channel. Like I said, everything tuned by ear for now. He likes it. I definitely like the way it sounds. Other than that, guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. All the links to everything will be down in the description.